Hi guys, it's Angela from One Stop for Writers, here to talk about how to make writing a little easier, because let's face it, it's a lot of hard work. Stories can seem simple on the outside, but on the inside there's always a lot going on. We need to know about many storytelling elements, and that can feel a bit overwhelming, especially if we encounter problems that are tough to fix. Becoming a strong writer takes time, but there are ways to shorten the learning curve and plans that we can follow so we stay on track and get our book to the finish line. One of those is the Storyteller's Roadmap, which acts as a writer's GPS to get from that first story idea all the way to a published-ready novel, step by step. The roadmap is broken into 3 tracks: planning, writing, and revising. In the planning track, expert story coaches get you started off on the right foot, showing you how to brainstorm everything you need for a powerful story. If you want help coming up with killer story idea, they'll show you different methods so that you can find the right fit for you. They also guide you through the process of building a new world, creating your story's cast, and how to plot and outline anything you might need in order to be ready to write. You can plan as much or as little as you need, and at every step the roadmap will point you to ingenious tools and resources that can help with the heavy lifting. Our story experts stay with you as you write, helping you with strategies to stay focused, creative, and on task. And all those common writing derailments like writer's block, imposter syndrome, and getting lost in the middle of your novel? Well, each roadmap track has code red sections where you can look up any writing problem you're experiencing and get help moving past it. Of course, once a first draft is complete, the real work begins. Revision can be where a lot of writers lose their passion for the story because they struggle to know exactly how to bring their best writing to the page. This track of the roadmap simplifies revision by showing you how to assess your story and then break those revisions into manageable rounds so that you can navigate the process of editing, getting feedback, and polishing until you have a published-ready story. So if you're ready for writing to be easier, if you want to be more productive with your writing time, and you like the idea of valuable story coach insight without the high cost to go with it, take the Storyteller's Roadmap on your next novel road trip. And happy writing!